Hi everyone, I'm Kern Foltz.
I'm Jack Markham.
We're from Market Leader. Guess what? Breaking news. Not only is it the hottest time of the year for real estate, but we are releasing more leads today. What does that mean, Jack? 3,000 previously sold out areas. Leads will become available this morning. So Jack, first thing we're gonna do is talk about where that lead is coming from. Like, how is that lead gonna get to our agents? Second one is, what does the lead expect from us as the agents? And then we'll follow up with things that you should do initially and then things to avoid. So again, 3,000 previously sold out areas. Leads are gonna be released today. So you're gonna wanna respond quickly, but let's talk about how that lead's gonna get to you. First of all, every lead's gonna get to you exclusively and directly to your website. So we're gonna create an ad specifically designed for you on Google, on Bing, on Yahoo. And when the consumer chooses your ad on that site, they're instantly gonna see listings branded to you. Okay, so it'll be all of the listings pulled from the MLS, but your name, face, phone number, picture, all of that will be right there. Now, what happens next is after a couple of those listings, we're gonna ask them to register. When they register, they're gonna become a lead directly to you. So Jack, that agent now has a new lead. What should be the first thing, or let me start this way. What are some of the expectations that lead has for the agent?
Well, you got to understand why they came online, first of all, and that is probably not to search for an agent, but they want relevant content. And relevant content being pictures and details of listings, what's the value of my house, maybe a home evaluation, maybe some neighborhood data, some school data, maybe compare different neighborhoods. So understand that maybe the different demographic or kind of the why they started online, and then really hone in your skills on providing relevant content versus value proposition, and really start focus on that servicing issue.
And I think that leads to, once we have an understanding of how that lead's going to get to us and then what the expectations of that lead has, now that tells you what you need to do initially when you get a lead. So when you initially get that first lead, like Jack had mentioned, content that's applicable and relevant is important. So one, phone number, thank them for registering directly on your website. Thank them for their inquiry on the value of their home. And your whole key, Jack, is to stop their search and get them back to your site with inventory trends, with market conditions, but the most important thing, with listings. And the system that will be attached to your leads will do all that for you.
Yeah, there's really four things you're going to have in order to boost your lead engagement. You have to have speed. So you got to be the first one to respond. Either that's by phone, that's by email, sometimes that's even by text messaging, right? But you got to have speed. Number two, you have to have lead insight. You have to know what the behavior of your leads that are coming onto your website or your store are doing so you can provide relevant content. Lead insight's the only way you can get relevant content, Kerm, and that's the third thing that you have to have is relevant content to make a connection. The last thing you have to have is your brand. You have to be branding yourself as that neighborhood expert constantly on every single touch point.
Lastly, let's talk about what you should avoid. What you should avoid on that first initial reach out to them is, hey, are you qualified yet? How soon are you looking to sell? Is there anything I can help you with? Your number one goal will be to provide them with content and service and thank them for using you as the person who's providing them with that specific information. And then finally, in order to be successful in this, all you have to do is think about servicing people. And that's really why we got into the business. So again, how that lead's gonna get to you, check, all right? Two, what the expectations of that lead, check. We covered that as well. And then 3 and 4, what should you do initially with the lead and what should you avoid? We covered that as well. So call today. 3,000 previously sold out areas, leads are available now. Have a happy summer, fellas and ladies, and let's get you in front of more consumers who are actively searching now.